Preparing for the CNA exam doesn't have to feel overwhelming. This clinical skill demonstration is one of 22 free videos we've created to help you understand the process. If you're serious about passing the Florida CNA exam, GatorCNA On Demand SurePass gives you the structure, the tools, the support you need to pass with confidence. Sign up for a free preview at www.GatorCNAOnDemand.com to get access to 3 full modules and see why 92% of our students pass the state exam.
This skill is provide mouth care to a resident who has teeth. A resident who has his or her natural teeth is lying in bed and needs mouth care. The resident is not able to provide their own mouth care. The role of the resident is played by a person. Follow along in your student manual. Start each skill the same way by knocking on the resident's door. Greet the resident by their preferred name, introduce yourself, and explain the care you're about to provide. Hi, Miss Orchid. How are you doing today?
Good. How are you?
I'm great. My name's Lizzie. I'm your nursing assistant, and today I'm going to provide you with some mouth care. Is that okay?
Yes.
Great. Let me go wash my hands, get my supplies, and I'll be right back.
Okay.
If this was the first skill on your care plan, you'll need to physically wash your hands at this point. If this is the second or third skill on your care plan, turn to your NAE and say, I will wash my hands at this point. When gathering your supplies, you can bring the overbed table with you to the cabinet and dresser and stack your supplies as you go. Or you can walk back and forth from the cabinet to the table. If you choose to do this, make sure you're not holding any clean supplies against your dirty uniform. The first item that you're going to grab is a barrier towel. Take this and unfold it to cover the table. This will protect the table from any water spills or any used linens that we gather throughout the skill. Next, grab a clothing protector. This is used to protect the resident's clothing from any spit or dribble. We'll continue to gather our supplies over at the dresser. You'll need a toothbrush, toothpaste, an emesis basin for the resident to spit into, and a cup to fill with rinse water. Let the resident know you'll step away to get some water. Ms. Orchid, I'll be right back. I just need to get some water.
Okay.
While over at the sink, grab a paper towel and a set of gloves. Now that we have all of our supplies, we're ready to prep the resident. For this skill, we're going to lift the head of the bed to a 90-degree angle. Always let the resident know before you start moving the bed. Miss Orchid, we're going to be lifting the head of your bed. I'm going to start moving it on the count of 3, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. For any skill where something's going into their mouth, and in this case a toothbrush, you need to make sure the resident is sitting up at a 90-degree angle to avoid any choking hazard. When the bed has lifted all the way, you can offer to remove the pillow for comfort. Would you like me to go ahead and remove that pillow for you?
Yes, please.
Okay. I'll go ahead and take that. You can set this at the foot of the bed. Offer the resident an opportunity to wear a clothing protector. Would you like to wear a clothing protector today?
Yes, please.
You'll now bring the overbed table over their lap. You can lift the table up if you need to and slide it in nice and close so the resident feels included in their care. At this time, we'll now put on our gloves. Learn better with flashcards? Our full course, GatorCNA On-Demand SurePass, includes a full set of digital flashcards to help you reinforce your knowledge and prepare you for the Florida CNA exam. You can even purchase a full deck of printed flashcards delivered right to your door. Sign up for a free preview at www.GatorCNAOnDemand.com to get access to 3 full modules and see why 92% of our students pass the state exam. Open up the toothbrush. Open it from the side that's not going to go into the resident's mouth. Dip it into the water to moisten it. And apply a small amount of toothpaste on top. Now that the toothbrush has been opened, we're going to avoid setting it down for the rest of the skill. If you do need to set it down, get a separate paper towel to rest it on. Before we begin brushing, offer the resident an opportunity to take a sip of water, swish it around their mouth, and spit it out. Would you like to take a sip and spit it out?
Yes, please.
When the resident is ready to spit, take the emesis basin and hold it close under their mouth. Every time they spit, you'll take your paper towel and dab the mouth dry. All right, we're ready to begin. Miss Orchid, could you please open your mouth wide for me? Take the toothbrush and press it against the resident's cheek and ask them to bite down. You're now going to brush in small circles on the outer surfaces of the teeth. Make sure you wash the gum line as well. All right, could you open up wide for me again? Get the other side, bite down, and once again, wash in small circular motions, making sure to get the gum line. Open up wide for me. Regularly ask the resident if they'd like an opportunity to swish and spit. Would you like to take a sip of water? All right. And spit it right here. All right. Next, we're going to brush the smiling surfaces. Can you give me a big smile? In small circular motions, wash all of the teeth that you can see. Make sure you're scrubbing the gum line as well. Would you like a sip of water to spit? I see you got a little dribble there. Let me get that for you.
Thank you.
Finally, ask the resident to open wide, and we're going to be scrubbing the biting surfaces. Can you open wide for me? Would you like to rinse and spit?
Mm-hmm.
When you're finished brushing, offer the resident another opportunity to rinse and spit. Would you like to rinse and spit again?
Yes, please.
Continue to offer this until they refuse. Would you like another rinse and spit?
Okay.
When the resident is done, take whatever's left in the little cup and dump it into the emesis basin. Gather all of your trash and place it into the cup. Pull the table away from the resident and remove the clothing protector. We don't want to leave the resident in the clothing protector with their dribble on it while we clean up our supplies. We're going to go take this to the linens, but let the resident know you'll be right back. I'm going to take this to linens, I'll be right back.
Okay.
Next, throw away your trash. Finally, we're going to be cleaning our emesis basin. You can dump this in the sink or in the commode. You won't get any points off by putting it in the commode, so that's what we suggest. Take it to the sink and begin to clean it.
For further instruction on cleaning and drying this or any other basin, reference the How to Clean a Basin video located in the How To section of this course.
Grab another barrier towel for the drawers and toothpaste. throw away the paper towels. Take the barrier towel to the linens. Miss Orchid, I'll be right back.
Okay.
Turn to the NAE and remove your gloves. Throw these away. Now that your gloves are off, you can put down the bed. Miss Orchid, you're going to feel the bed move on the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. When the bed is down flat, you can replace the pillow. All right, we're almost there. Just a few more seconds. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put this pillow back for you.
Okay.
All right, if you'll lift your head for me, 1, 2, and 3. All right, and lay back down. Great. Now that all of our supplies have either been taken to the hamper or to the trash, we're going to remove any furniture that we brought in. You can now move on to your closing statements. All right, Miss Orchid, is there anything else I can get for you today? Can I put on a TV show or get you a glass of water?
No, thank you.
Okay. Here's your call light. Let me know if you need anything.
Thank you.
If this was the first skill on your care plan, you'll need to physically wash your hands at this point. If this is the second or third skill on your care plan, turn to your NAE and say, I will wash my hands at this point. Thanks for watching. Ready to go from preparation to certification? Our full course, SurePass, has everything you need to pass the CNA exam, including mock exams, study guides, and one-on-one support. Sign up for our free preview at www.GatorCNA On Demand to get access to 3 full modules and see why 92% of our students pass the state exam.
Thanks for watching GatorCNA On Demand. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment or question, and subscribe to the channel for more support on your Florida CNA journey.